Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this really cute bob look. So if you are interested in an in-depth tutorial, then keep watching. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair with apple cider vinegar only, and I'm going to link that tutorial on the screen just in case you're interested. I don't have any product in my hair, and before you ask, I've been locked for 3 years and 9 months. I start off by sectioning a row of my locks, and before you start, I know my parts are crazy. It doesn't bother me one bit. I hope it doesn't bother you. I take a spray bottle and I just start to spray my locks, and then I work the water into my scalp. Once I'm done with the water, I take a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil and I begin to work it into my scalp as well. I love this oil. It makes my hair feel really good and it doesn't irritate my scalp like other oils do. I know it doesn't really seem like I had a lot on my fingers, but I really did, and I just worked that into my new growth, not really my locks. And then this was the moment that I realized I missed a lock, so I had to bring a lock down, and I'm just gonna wet it because it was a little dry. So I just redid the whole process with this new lock. But then I start to comb my new growth just because I don't want my new growth to be matted when I start to palm roll my hair. And then it's time for me to separate my hair. A lot of people ask me how I can see the back of my head. I actually cannot see the back of my head because I don't really use a mirror or anything. I just try to feel around and I try to put my finger in between the part, and if there is a little bit of hair in the middle, I know that I need to kind of separate it. And now it's time for the retwist. So I'm just going to smooth my hair out, and I just begin rolling my hair in between my hands. If you need a more in-depth palm rolling tutorial, I'm going to link that down below and on the screen. Once I palm roll both locks, I start to twist them together, and even when I'm twisting them, I'm making sure that I am twisting each individual lock in the way that I palm rolled it. I hope that's making sense, but I'm just gonna say it again if it didn't. So when you take the two locks and you start to twist them, you know, the way that you just palm rolled each twist, you're going to keep twisting it in that direction while you are making this one big twist. Okay, I hope you got it that time. And now it's time for the actual lock knot. So I just gauge it by where my other knots are. So then I just take my finger and I bend my twist, and then I just begin to wrap it around, and I'm going to secure that with a rubber band. And now I'm going to repeat that process with the next two locks, starting with the separation. if you're wondering why I don't twist super close to the root and why like the back row is kind of just loose, I just do not like for my hair to be super tight, because that is how you cause like a lot of tension on your scalp and you can start to get blisters, your hair can start to thin out. So I try not to do too many tight styles. I am in love with this finished look, and it looks really good for me not to have used any gel, and like I just used oil and water. So I'm just gonna give you a full turn so you can see how my entire head looks. And then this is actually how I looked a little bit later, because I wrapped my hair and then I took my blow dryer and I kind of like blow dried the ends and stuff, anything that was wet. And so my hair has had a chance to lay down and I am in love with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up and check my description box, because I have a lot more lock videos in my lock playlist. So if you're on your lock journey and you need some help, you can always watch those videos, and I will see you in my next video.